Stunt driving in Ontario, will I go to jail? The biggest fear of any client charged with a stunt driving ticket is whether the possibility of jail time is actually real. Stunt driving is generally a very high speeding ticket, over 50 kilometers per hour over the posted limit. However, when a client is pulled over, they simply believe they were speeding and will have to pay a fine. Most don't realize that once they cross that 50-kilometer threshold on their speedometer, they are entering a whole new section of the Highway Traffic Act that contains the possibility of jail time in a real jail for a real period of time in Ontario. But I didn't think speeding was a crime. How can there be jail time? Common question. This statement is partially correct. Stunt driving itself is not a criminal offense under the criminal code. However, once you cross into section 172(1) of the Highway Traffic Act, which is stunt driving, you enter what's called a quasi-criminal territory. This means that the province has the right to hand out penalties that are like or similar to criminal penalties. So no, there is no criminal record, but yes, there can be real jail time. And the reason behind stunt driving section 172(1) of the Highway Traffic Act is that, as I've mentioned in previous articles, the best way maybe to understand the severe penalties is as follows. Don't think of it as a car that you're driving. Think of your vehicle as a weapon, a 4,000-pound weapon that can kill a person or that can put somebody in a wheelchair. It can cause property damage. And in the context of driving a 4,000-pound weapon, the Ontario lawmakers made a public policy decision. They simply do not want people driving a vehicle at fast speeds. Doing so poses a real danger to society. And remember, keep that 4,000-pound weapon in mind. So the prosecutor holds all the cards, at least to start. The prosecutor, which is different in each court across Ontario, is the one who will first screen your charge. They have all the power given to them by the province to assign penalties to your stunt driving ticket, depending on how much of a danger they consider you or your charges to be. They can assign a penalty of $2,000 or $10,000. They can assign no suspension or 2-year suspension. They can assign no jail time or up to 6 months jail time. They have the discretion to do this. The bottom line, get legal help. It may sound biased for me to tell you to get legal help, but it really is the smart and safe play here. A stunt driving ticket in Ontario can put you in an Ontario jail. The ultimate win for a stunt driving case is to get legal strategies that may help you avoid ever having these types of penalties. Take the stunt driving penalty test below and give us a call for some free information.